Jaco. Jaco is our Moluccan cockatoo. Scientific name is Cacatuea molucensis. This bird can be found in eastern Indonesia and they are the largest among the white cockatoos. Let's go, Jaco! There you go, the show officially started. A round of applause for Jaco with trainer A. Good day everyone and welcome to Middle Park All-Star Bird Show with me, Trainer Anthony. Now, here's an object that I will hide under one of these three silver cups. So where do you want me to put this object? On your left, on your right, or here in the middle? Which side? Left, right, or middle? Okay, so let's put it here. Now, let's call our second bird, Dazzle. Dazzle is our sulfur-crested cockatoo. Scientific name is Cacatuea galerita. Common inhabitants are of the woodland and forest areas along the east coast of Australia. They are very loud birds and can mimic almost any sound. They typically feed on seeds, nuts, fruits such as durian, papaya, and rambutan. They also love corn. Now guys, do you think Dazzle has ability to find this hidden object? If it yes, say you can do it, Dazzle!
You can do it, Dazzle!
Let's go, Dazzle, find the hidden object for us!
Yes, Captain! Eat the... Dazzle, go ahead, go!
Dazzle, the trainer McCoy. Now, our next featured bird are just like any married couple. No longer meaning there will be each other partners for life. Pretty romantic, right? But as in a couple, they will attach in a relationship. And there will always be battle. Meet Sassy and Rocky, our beautiful pair of Greeny Macau. But today, there will be battle it out to see who is the best in a basketball game. But before we start this battle, I will divide you into two groups. All the girls, let's cheer for Sassy. Come on, girls, let's cheer for Sassy. Sassy, Sassy,
Sassy, Sassy.
And how about the boys? All the boys, let's cheer for Rocky. Rocky, Rocky,
Rocky, Rocky.
So, trainers ready, birds ready, set, go. Here comes Rocky for the first ball. Followed by Sassy. And second ball for Rocky.
Cheer.
Trainer Gilbert, what can you say about that? You guys lose this time. Hold it! We want another race. Or we want another race, Trainer.
Bawal mo pala?
Are you sure about that? You want
Bawal
Sassy to
sinabi.
win? Well, this time, I guarantee you that Sassy will win. So what race do you have in mind? I'm thinking about a ring race. And what is a ring race? The first bird who drops the 3 rings into the pool, the fastest is the winner, and that is a ring race. Okay, so ring race it shall be. Remember guys, Rocky already have 1 point. Come on girls, let's cheer for Sassy to win this time. So we'll be doing this again this time. Our ring race, ready, set, go!
Rocky, Rocky, Rocky,
Hey, you guys cheated! Oh, you think you cheated?
Cheating.
No, you didn't cheat.
Antayan!
Great. Oh, it's true. Girls are more intelligent than boys. A round of applause for Samson Rocky, Trainer Beijing, and Trainer Gilbert.
High five to.
Parrots in particular known to be intelligent and perceptive. That's why we continuing to enhance their skills and not get bored. So, here is Sassy once again. Sassy is going to show us how intelligent she is. By putting the shape back into the correct slot. Just like Sassy, Bruno Macau are from South America and they are known as the gentle giant of the parrot family. It's because they are the second largest next to the hyacinth macaw. They can grow up to 92 centimeters length and can live up to 80 years old. Scientific name is Arachloroptera. They usually feed on seeds, nuts, salts, and minerals along the river. And for the lashing,
Panalo pala si Tasi. Si Tasi ba yan?
Yeah.
there you go. It's already right round of applause for Kathy with Trainer Gilbert.
Daya ni Tasi.
Now guys, who knows math? Everyone here knows addition, right? Because this next part of the program, we leave most people baffled in a maze. Even as trainers, do you think birds can do math? But before we call our mathematical wizard, I'll be needing two numbers between 1 to 15. So what number guys? Between 1 to 15.
25?
Okay, so our first number is number 10.
15 nga.
And how about the second number?
8.
4! 8!
Okay, so our second number is number 8.
8 daw. 8 birthday mo siya.
Now, our equation is 10 plus 8. Let's see if our mathematical wizard can do this